Today, we learn a new way to subtract big numbers, tricky numbers. But don't worry, we will make it easy. Hello everyone, welcome back to our math lesson. Today, we learn subtraction with borrowing. Let's begin.
Count and write.
Look at the picture. There are 25 oranges on the table. The boy takes 9 oranges away. How many oranges are left? Let's count. There are 16 oranges left. Now we write 25 minus 9 equals 16. We find the answer. Good job.
Look, listen and repeat.
Subtract 24 from 52.
You get 28.
Now look here. We solve 52 minus 24. Let's do it step by step. Look at the ones. 2 minus 4. We cannot do this because 2 is less than 4, so we borrow 1 10. Now we have 12 minus 4. 12 minus 4 equals 8. So now look at the tens. 5 becomes 4. 4 minus 2 equals 2. So we say 52 minus 24 equals 28. 52 minus 24 equals 28. Great.
1. Match and color.
Match and color. Subtract 18 from 35. 35 minus 18 equals 17. You get 17. Subtract 13 from 42. 42 minus 13 equals 29. You get 29. Subtract 28 from 74. 74 minus 28 equals 46. You get 46. Great work!
Two. Complete and say.
Now let's complete. 35 minus 19 equals 16. Subtract 35 from 19, you get 16. "65 minus 28. 65 minus 28 equals 37. Subtract 65 from 28, you get 37. "71 minus 12. 71 minus 12 equals 59. Subtract 71 from 12, you get 59. 44 minus 26. 44 minus 26 equals 18. Subtract 44 from 28, you get 18. Excellent! Now let's solve a puzzle. Look at the board. We have some words and numbers. Let's solve step by step. 66 minus 48. 66 minus 48 equals 18. "35 plus 25. 35 plus 25 equals 60. Now we complete the puzzle. Today you learned subtraction with borrowing. When the ones are not enough, we borrow from the tens, then subtract step by step. Keep practicing every day. You're doing great. See you next time. Goodbye.